any seasoned copywriter will tell you, the headline is the most important component of any copy. If your headline basically doesn't hook your viewers, it's unlikely they will bother to engage with your content. So here are 3 proven ways in which you can instantly start creating more compelling headlines. Number 1, use power words. These are words that are proven to grab your reader's attention, such as free, top, fast, and revealed. 2, use numbers in your headline, especially odd numbers like 3, 7, and 9. Adding numbers to headlines is proven to result in higher engagement levels. And finally, number 3 is to make a bold statement. Think about how you can instantly draw your viewers in. This can be an opinionated or even controversial statement where the reader can't help wanting to know more. See you in the next video.